Guys, welcome to video number 147, and this time I'm going to actually upload a video on one of my subscribers email, and this is what he has written. Hi Ajay, my name is Erwin and I'm your subscriber. Thank you for helping so many people around the world with your great videos. I really like your channel and they are so fun to watch. I need your help in getting me the solution here. My file has mix-up of numbers and text, and I want to separate numbers. I can do find and replace and record in a macro, but I want a formula. I know this must be easy for you. Please help. Best wishes and support to you from my side. Your brother Irwin. Oh, thank you so much indeed. Great words, a great appreciation. I thank you so much for your kind words. And so this is what he has actually sent out me this file, which is a dummy file, I guess. So I think everyone is looking forward to a formula which can actually separate these text and the numbers. So maybe we would like to see here a text like ABC, and then here we should see these text separately, and then once you can, if you're able to separate the text, then you can also separate the numbers, right? So we can do it through a number of ways. So Erwin, in the past as well, a couple of questions, couple of emails came around the same piece, and I had already uploaded some videos on that. Maybe you can go to my website excelvblover.com, and under Excel videos section you can try to see the videos under this category called text function, like extract text from alphanumeric value, right? So there might be a different video, but anyways, since you have asked me this question, so I'm going to upload a new video specifically targeting your and similarly you can even watch the array technology here. I remember that I have actually uploaded a video. You need to see that. I think might be it is extract number from alphanumeric cell, longest formula. So you can check these formulas as well, and if you're not able to understand, write me in, but they are actually the arrays and they are very powerful, and they can actually make your work very easy, provided if you know their basics, right? But today what we are going to do is we are going to simply use a function called substitute. Okay, and this will help you in extracting your text. So substitute does what? So when you write the substitute, first of all let me tell you, write the substitute, and here we have the text, which is this text, and in the old text what we want to actually remove is we want to remove here 2. Okay, and the new text should be no space. You want to replace this 2 with nothing, and instant number means that wherever it is written it should be replaced. So if you press enter, then you see that it is going to give you ABC45. So 2 is replaced. Similarly, if I'm going to write here 4, then 4 is also going to be replaced. You can see here, right? So what we want to actually do is we want to prepare a loop, and we will cover all the numbers, because you never know, down the line you may have a number called 1 or maybe 2 or 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, any number, right? So what we can do is we can quickly write here that if you have a 0 number, it should be replaced with this space. Now the new text is ABC245. Now you can see here that since we don't have a 0 here, so you're not going to see any changes. But what if I have 0 here? You can see that it has already replaced this 0, right? So again you have to write the same function again, substitute. Now substitute, and the text would be this one, which I'm already having on my G2 cell. So this entire cell ABC245, this in this cell what I want to replace is I want to replace 1, and I want to replace it with 0, and then close the bracket, right? We don't have any 1 here, and that's why you don't see any result. But if just in case if I enter here 1, you see that it is still giving me ABC245. So again you need to use this formula, and now this will be the entire text, which is ABC245, and in this I want to replace 2 with space, and then you need to press enter, right? So I believe by now you might have got the idea of what exactly I'm going to do here. So basically I'm going to write each number one by one, starting from 1 and 0, starting from 0 and then till your 9. So this is very easy. It's just a one-time effort. It's not going to take more than 1 minute, right, if you are good in Excel. So we can simply write this formula here, substitute, and then this text, and then the next value would be 4, and then space. Press enter. Now you see that I have only got this value. No 4 is there. Now I will replace the 5 with space, press enter, and then again I'll go ahead and I'll again write. It's very easy to build. You can see I'm just only going to the old text and writing the number, and then what it is being replaced with. So it's great. In fact, fun to write such a formula. And I must tell you that when actually long time back when I learned about this formula, I never knew it that this could be used in such a great way. I always thought that I mean it's like a very basic formula. What you want to replace with something, then you can simply go ahead and replace it. But I was working on one of the project long time back, and then I was trying to develop the VBA code. I was trying to use the array formula which I have just shared with you. You can go and watch that. So it can also be done with the arrays. But then finally I saw that substitute can also be a good option to replace a text or the numbers, and it's actually quite easy. Anyone can use it, right? Because when I talk about the VBA, if you don't know the programming, you can't do it. And if you don't know the arrays, which I would say it's a little difficult to understand, I mean you really have to do a lot of hard work on that. So having a substitute formula as a replacement for these VBA and arrays, it was really mesmerized. I was completely mesmerized by this formula since then. And then it was always like you can't actually underestimate any Excel formula. You never know where they can be used. So that's what this comes with the regular practice and a lot of hard work, right? So this is how the substitute is all about. Alright, so we are stuck here somewhere. What is the issue? Let me see. Is creating a problem. I got here 8 and I need to replace it with this space. Okay, let's see where we have this error. Okay, let me just repeat this step again. Substitute, and then in the comma old text is 9 and then space. Right, alright, I think I was entering, maybe I haven't used the new substitute word while telling you about the history of this substitute, how it happened to me. So no problem. Anyways, I think we are done with this. We have covered all the numbers, I guess. We have covered 0, we have covered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, all set, I think. Alright, so I think now if you drag this formula, you shall see what you are looking forward to. Oh great. So here we don't have any text, so it's giving you blank because it has replaced all the numbers, right? So even I think this is what you are looking forward to. And now it's quite simple. If you want the numbers here, then you can simply say that substitute in this text, what is my old text? Now keep this old text and replace it with space. There you go. You have got all the numbers here, right? Indeed, it was very easy actually, as you said in your email, but I guess it requires just a practice. It just requires your number of those long hours on the Excel, and then you will also be perfect, will be a champion. Alright, so thank you so much for your question, and I hope this gives you a solution. And to all my subscribers, to all those who are watching this for the first time, just go ahead and watch 150 videos, almost like 100, this is I think 148 by this video on the Excel. So go and watch, and you can go to my YouTube channel as well. This is my YouTube channel, and go on the playlist. You will see all the videos there according to the subject, so that you don't have to search any specific topic. Or maybe you can go to my website, which is excelvba.lover.com, and there you see that these are all the videos. So that's my home page. You can click on the home page, and then under tutorial section, if you're interested in watching VBA videos, go to the VBA. If you would like to go to the VBA training session. If you are looking for some online training, then let me know. I provide one-on-one training as well on the Excel as well. So my training content is there, and you can go and watch and enjoy the videos as well at the same time, right? So thank you so much, and once again I thank you for your appreciation, and hopefully next time I'll come up with some more interesting stuff. So stay fit and happy learning. Bye bye.